Hey friends, if the mouse left click button is not working on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart the Windows File Explorer. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Wait for it to load. Right click on the Windows Explorer process and then select Restart. The next solution is to change the USB port. If you're using a USB mouse, simply connect it to a different USB port, and I'll tell you how to check all of this. If you're using a Bluetooth mouse, then the situation is a little different. Right click on the start button and then select settings from the menu. Now go to the Bluetooth and devices tab. Even if it is a wired device, click on devices and it shows all the connected devices here. The next solution is to reinstall the mouse drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for mice and other pointing devices. Right click on the first driver, select update driver and search automatically for drivers and right click and update. Now once this is update, here's what you can do. Right click on the first driver and select uninstall device. I won't do it, otherwise my mouse will stop working right now. And then use the touchpad and click on action. Select scan for hardware changes. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc // scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is to check all the issue in the clean boot state. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable or click on apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.